Yes, now that we have finished question number 9, we can now move to question number 10. And it says, in an examination, 70% of the candidates passed. If 12 candidates are selected at random, find the probability that at least 2 of them failed, at exactly half of them passed, and the last one, not more than 1/6 of them failed. That's a very simple question. If you check that content very well, we are saying that in an examination we have 70% of the candidate pass, which means 30% failed. So that in this particular situation, is a question that's talking about a two-way journey, that is pass, probability of success, and probability of failure. Because of the way this question is going to be, we are going to use binomial theorem. Okay, what am I saying? Let me interpret the question first. The probability, let us displace number 10. Okay, the probability of success, let our probability of success, our P be 70 over 100. We can also write that 7 over 10 or 0.7, and what you prefer. Okay, so definitely, probability plus, probability of success plus probability of failure must be equals to 1, according to that theorem of sum of probability equals to 1. If this the video you are watching right now is your first video of us that you are watching, please do well to press your like and share button, turn on the notification button, press the subscribe button, and put your comment in the comment box. Pick up your book and pen, and we are doing it together. We are dealing with Neco 2025 for the mathematics question section B. We have solved number 9. We are dealing with number 10. If you have missed number 1 to number 9, please do well to check our playlist to watch those videos. And right now, so definitely from there now, which means probability of failure, which is Q, will be 1 minus P, which is 1 minus 7 over 10, which will give us 3 over 10 or 0.3. Anyone you prefer. If you want to use decimal, if you want to use fraction. With that, we same time binomial theorem formula said that P, when you have Px, it will be equals to n combination x qx. You know what your Q stands for, failure, and the P n minus x. This your n, in the question your n is 12. That is the number of candidates, and your x is the exact number you want to talk about. Any number you want to talk about. Like in the question, they said question A now. Question A said, find probability that at least 2 of them failed. Before you can say at least 2 of them failed, that is from 2, at least 2 of them failed. That is 2 and above failed. 2 and above failed. Am I communicating now? At least 2 and above failed. Are you there with me now? But in order to get this thing very well, we need to talk about, what are we going to talk about? We need to talk about those that are not, because when you say at least 2 of them, that is 2 and above. If you now say 2 and above, that one will take us to indefinite or infinite. So let's go to something less than 2. What am I saying? That this probability of less than 2 plus probability of at least 2 must be equals to 1. What am I saying now? As is, they say we should find probability that x is less than or equals to 2. That's less than, sorry, x is greater than or equals to 2. That's what we want to find. That is from 2 and above, and that one is unlimited. So which we can also say it will be the same thing as 1 minus probability of x less than 2. That's just because when you add the forward and the backward, you get 1. So this is the one we can find that we can control. That this one will be telling us that when s is 0 and when s is 1. Those are the two numbers less than 2 under the probability. No probability ranges from 0 to 1. So in that situation, let's go. When x equals to 0, you're going to be having 12 combination 0. Are you following me? 12 combination 0 into bracket, our failure is 3 over 10. X, that's 0. You can see I'm only replacing the letters, and p is 7 over 10 equals to what? What's that? N minus what? N minus x, that is 12 minus 0, which is 12. I may not have time to go through it because I want you also to be engaged and put your answer in the comment section. I think with that, and then 3 raised to power 0 is 1. I can still be of help here. 12 combination 0. Press your calculator. I'm waiting for you. Press calculator. 12 combination 0 is what? Or maybe I'm to do it at my side. 12 combination, that is 12 combination 0. You will see the answer as what? 1. That is 1 times n raised to power 0 is 1, and 7 over 10 raised to power 12. You know, that is 7 over 10 is 0.7 raised to power 12. What do we have? We have a number 0.0138 and so on. Let me just take it to 3 decimal because of my time. So 0.014. So that is my when s is 0, I have 0.014. Now I have done the first one. I want you to do p equals to when s is 1 and put your answer in the comment box. I'll wait for you for the next 60 seconds to give me answer. I'll wait for you for the next 60 seconds to give me answer and put your comments answer in the comment box, because I will jump. If you have done, I will wait for you. I will not rush. I want you just to be engaged. The same pattern. So 12 combination. This time around, what's my x? 1. 3 over 10 again raised to power 1. 7 over 10. 12 minus 1, 11. If you have done it right, what do you have? I'll wait for you. You are the one doing this one this time around. I want to hear from you. Alright, I will jump and I'll go straight to the answer because I have engaged you. I want you to go ahead and do it and put your answer in the comment section. So I have, if you do it right, you have approximately to 3 decimal, you have 0.072. But we are not done, because remember a condition led us to this place. Look at this condition. This condition, that is all we have gotten here. We need to add them together to pile up this place. So what am I saying? I will say p x less than 2 is equals to what? 0.014 plus 0.072. When you add them together, what are you going to have there? You are going to have 0.086. Are you there? And from there we are good. We have solved that one better. And case closed. So now we now go to the condition that brought us there. That p equals to s greater than equals to 2, which is equals to 1 minus, I believe you can see, 1 minus p x less than 2. So the answer you got the 1 minus 0.086. So we now, what's the final answer? Put your answer in the comment box and let me have it. So now we confirm together. From my own, I have 0.914, and I've set to question A. Set to question A. So I want to set to question B. Exactly half of them. B said exactly half of them. We can talk about half, that is half. What's half of 6? I mean half of 12 is what? Half of 12 is 6. So that is exactly when s is 6. That's what we are talking about. So p x equals to 6. That's the meaning. Still the same pattern. Follow the switch and give me the answer. Let me wait for you for the next 60 seconds. I will be counting my counting. I will be giving you my counting down. I want you to engage and do it. It's a very simple work. I don't want to be the only one doing it. Very simple work. I don't want to be the only one doing it. So I'm still waiting for you. Still waiting for you. Still waiting for you. That's why I'm not responding. So those of them just joining us, please do well to press the like and share button. Turn on the notification button. Subscribe. Share the link with your friends. We have over 100,000 people writing Neco nationwide. So please do well to spread it so that they also can benefit. Don't be selfish. You are gaining. Let them also gain something. Let them also learn something. And let them also perceive in this distinction you are picking up from here. Okay, now going through the answers you have sent into the comment box. So I can see those that are right, I can see those that are also right at the other side. So all of you tried. So that's the reason why we call it a classroom, for every one of us to be engaged and get it right. So if you have done it right, you are going to have be having 12 combinations, 6, 0.3 if I'm using, for those people that are using decimal, let me also join your streets now, 6 and 0.7, also 6. So when you press your calculator variable, 12 combinations, 6 will give you a big number, that is 924. And when you multiply all these numbers like you have, you'll be having long digit 0.00. I want to show you. Okay, let me show you to confirm that. Raised to power 6. You also can see 7.29 times raised to power minus 4, 7729. I believe you can see that. And the last one, 0.7 raised to power 6 as well. I think I have a number 0.118 to 3 decimal. So piling on, or I should leave it at 4 decimal, anywhere you prefer. Okay, maybe I should leave it at 4 decimal. So when you multiply everything, I'm going to have 0.0792 as my answer for that side. Very simple, and you can see it clearly. We want to take the picture. That's it. And I move to the last one. They say we should find probably that not more than 1/6, or that is 1/6 of them fail. Not more than 1/6 of them fail. That is, the first question is what's 1/6? That is C. 1/6 of 12 is what? That's 2. That is, you are speaking with x equals to 2, but when I say equals to 2, because we have used the word not more than, that is, it is in that range of what do you call it? X is less than or equals to 2. X is less than or equals to 2. That's where we are going to. So we need the probability of x is less than or equals to 2. That's what we want to find. And the meaning of this thing means that we need when x equals to 0 plus when x equals to 1 plus when x equals to 1 plus when x equals to 2. Those are the 3 items we need that will give us this statement. And luckily for us, in the questions we have found when x is 0, we have also found when x is 1. So what we need now to find is when x is 2, so that we can only combine together. So when x is 2, we have 12 combination 2. Our q that failed, that is 0.3 raised to power 2, and the past one 0.27 raised to power 10. And if you have done it right, then what do you have? Am I waiting for a response? What will be the answer? If you have done it right, you will have 0.1676. So in this situation now, we can now add, remember, our p x equals to 1 is already 0 is what? 0.014, and p x equals to 1 is 0.072, and p x equals to 2, that's what we just got now, 0.167. So when you add them together, what are we going to have? That is 0.014 plus 0. What again? 0.072 plus 0.1676, and finally we have 0.2536. You also can check in your calculator and put your own right answer in the comment box. With this, I have settled question number 10 right now in this video. I've settled number 10. I got this one is 11. You have done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Anyone you have missed, please check the playlist to pick up the one you have missed. Please do where to pick up playlist. You are the one writing exam. All the information that you need is what we are supplying you. Don't joke with anything. Share with your friends. Put turn on your notification button and press the subscribe button. Let's continue doing together. Neco is almost going to an end. I think after this paper, all of us will start enjoying ourselves, including the tutor and your own very self will be on break to relax, because it has been almost a working and busy moment during this period of Neco for both the tutor and likewise you the viewers, and we also appreciate you for being there. So I'm moving to question number 11. In case the video you may be too long that the video cuts, just follow the description. Follow your description, the link will be given to you that will direct you to the next video, or you check your end screen.